Bonjour and welcome to France.
Bienvenue.
Lovely. And Donna's sober at the moment. So those of you who have seen the previous video will know we are already in France. We just popped down to Reims, which is only about 12 miles away from where we are, by train. Have a look around, spot a lunch, whatever, and a drink, and then sort of dive on back here. Weather's been glorious so far, and the trip so far has been pretty uneventful. So travelling from Nottingham down to Kent to see Roy and Sue. Anyone who doesn't know, oh, too much to drink. Roy was my boss when I first started at what was then RTMC, became MTMC, MTMCI, and Donna?
MRTC.
MRT,
but we're not going to bore people with all that, are we?
So it's all good boring stuff. So pop down to see Roy, have a spot and lunch there, and then a pretty fluid journey onto the Channel Tunnel. Despite all the hoo-ha that you've seen in the news, they managed to have sorted everything out. A bit late getting on, but that's normal anyway for Channel Tunnel.
You say we were late. We got there early, and they shoved us on an earlier one. Yes.
Yeah.
They're a little bit of a delay by half an hour, but I don't class that as a delay.
So easy enough, quick overnight stop in a Rastplatz or a motorway service station, and then come on down to this campsite here. In the background you can see a little bit of Dora, which is our motorhome. For anyone who doesn't know, we got rid of the rather large,
beast,
over 8 meters long motorhome because we didn't need it anymore. It was too big. Difficult, well, not difficult to park, but difficult to find somewhere to park it. You can't just pop to the shops. And a little bit thirsty on fuel as well. So back down to a nice compact, just less than 6 meter motorhome. And
she's lovely.
Yeah, she's all right. Very easy to drive. Just a shame it's not automatic like the last one, eh?
Yeah, but you know, it is what it is.
So we leave here tomorrow to go down to another campsite in France, and all these ones were booked originally because we were going to be bringing Buddy, and anyone who doesn't know, Buddy is our dog. He was supposed to be coming with us, but he said, do you know what, you can ram it. He says, would I rather go in a motorhome and spend hours on end in a cage on my own, and then when we get there, what are you going to do with me? You're going to take me for a quick walk, maybe sit at your feet while I smell all the lovely food. I want to go and play with the kids and I can't do it. So no, I'll go around to Mel's instead, where I've got my girlfriend and some other dogs to play with, and Mel actually looks after me better than you guys do.
Yeah.
Because she's always there.
Yeah.
So, okay, so Buddy's round at Mel's.
He's having his holiday too.
So consequently now we've got all these stops which were designed to so we didn't have Buddy for too long in the motorhome. So thanks, Buddy.
Yeah, but I like it this way.
Yeah.
You need to make more of it like this. It's part of the holiday. Nothing worse than being in the van all day travelling, because you only moan that I don't do enough driving.
How much driving did you do on the way down, Donna?
I did half. All right, well,
Yeah.
maybe not quite half, but I did
Yeah.
more than what I normally do, which is a
Well,
bonus.
We'll leave it there, I think. Yeah.
Whatever.
So anyway, that's it. This is a quick update for you all, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hopefully Steve will be sober.
Ish. Anyway. Yeah.
It might be me that's not.
It's Donna's fault because she bought a bottle of
Cheap champagne.
cheap champagne. Well, it wasn't that cheap actually, was it? In the
No,
shop?
but it definitely tastes
It's definitely cheap. I've tasted Prosecco that's better. And she wasn't going to drink it. She was just going to sling it out. So I thought that's a bit of a waste. So I've been drinking it. So there you go. But anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Arrivederci. Ciao.
Au revoir.